Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to hold a meeting with chief ministers over the COVID-19 situation on Thursday as the number of virus infections sees a surge due to its Omicron variant. Fresh curbs have been imposed in various parts of the country to check the spread of the highly transmissible virus. Reviewing the COVID situation at a high-level meeting on Sunday, Modi had called for ensuring adequate health infrastructure at the district level and accelerating the vaccination drive for adolescents in mission mode. The precaution vaccination drive for healthcare and frontline workers besides those over 60 years of age with comorbidities has also started. Vaccination remains among the most effective means to fight COVID, Modi had said. The Prime Minister has held numerous meetings with chief ministers to spearhead India's response to the disease since its outbreak in 2020.